Peace, love, and light, family. I am Picasso Cognizance. This is Resolute Fathers. Make sure you like, subscribe, tell a friend, and tell a friend about Resolute Fathers. Man, how y'all feel about the Tyrese situation, man? Like, real talk. Drop below in the comment box. Tell me what y'all think. They really socked it to this dude, man. Like, straight up, he got to pay $250,000 to his ex-wife for back child support plus interest. And on top of that, he had to pay his ex-wife attorney $400,000. Now, my question is, how the attorney getting more money than the little daughter or whatnot? I mean, did y'all ever think about that? Did y'all even see that? You know what I'm saying? Plus, every month he had to pay $10,000 a month. So that $250,000 is because he wasn't paying the whole amount. They say he was paying like $2,000 and something every month. So that's how I added up to be 250, around 250,000. But my question is, how the attorney getting more money than than their daughter? You feel me? And that's why I be trying to tell y'all, man, like, you really got to know your parental rights and how the courts move. That's not to get the system involved, because when that happens, it messes up a lot of things. You got to think about it too. Okay, if this so-called child support, right? If he goes to jail, how is that helping the daughter? How's that helping their daughter? Think about what I'm trying to tell you. So who's really getting the funds? And you got to understand, 66% of the money goes to the state. It's a federal funding program. Let's be mindful of that. 66% of the money that the non-custodial parent, issues out goes to the state. Okay. Then on top of that, he got a $17,000 bill appointed by the judge to handle minor disputes during the case. I guess they little issues that him and the judge had, and when Tyrese was saying that he was gonna call the civil rights attorney Ben Crump and Martin Luther King III or whatnot. But my question is, when the last time the civil rights movement done something for the community? Especially Al. I mean, I ain't trying to down that man or nothing, but come on, man. It seemed like the only time Al come out when the damage is done. Then they throw him like a couple of thousands just to do his little eulogy or whatnot. And when he done, he go back doing what he doing. You feel me? And we already know how Al get down back in the 80s. You know what he was, you feel me? But I don't even want to, prolong on that. See, we got to be mindful as well. Back in 2021, the fiscal year, child support program collected $32.7 billion, fam. $32.7 billion. I mean, what's up with it though? Like, are we really thinking about, what's really going on and what's really happening? Is this really for the children? I think not, fam. How the non-custodial parent or the fit parent that had got enrolled into the program under 42 USC 403 section C general eligibility, it clearly, it talks about how child support is voluntary. Unmarried parents sign a contract at the hospital. So that's why they want you to, sign the birth certificate. And on top of that, marriage license are also contracts that are voluntary signed as well. We have to be mindful of this stuff, man. Don't take my word for it. Look it up. If we do not get it together as parents, as fit parents, I say, things are bound to happen like this, man. It's no reason for that man to be paying that much, $636,000 for what? Like I said before, how the attorney is getting more money than his own child. That don't even make sense to me, family. You know what I'm saying? So I mean, like, truly, like, what y'all think about it? Now you gotta let this sink in too. An Article 1 judge are not subject to the same protections as an Article 3 judge. You feel me? Article 1 judges do not have life tenure, and their salaries may be reduced by Congress. So because the Article 1 judges, they are not really judges, family. They are commissioners or administrative hearing officers. We got to know that. A real judge, you know, they can really call the shots if they see, you know, whatever the issue is. Now, like I said, if you haven't got it, make sure you cop the book, family. Who's the daddy? Good information, man. Good information. Like, straight up, you know, we got to know our parental rights, family. Got to know the Constitution. We have to know these things, because this is the type of stuff, like, Tyrese is basically being set for an example. So let's be mindful of this situation. Let's be mindful of what's going on. Let's stick together as parents. We do not need the system involved. The only time the system should be involved if one of the parents, you know, is an unfit parent. You feel me? That's when the system come involved and investigate, and they, you know what I'm saying, they come along and do what they have to do. Other than that, if you taking care of your responsibility or whatnot, there's no reason for you to be a non-custodial parent. There's no reason for you to even be on child support or anything like that. You and the other parent should communicate, you know, because one of the parents are mad about something that happened long time ago that has nothing to do with the child. That makes no reason for that one parent to run down there to the child support administration office and turn over his or her rights to get state benefits so they can get 66% out of the money that you could have been getting the whole 100%, but you're getting little crumbs off the floor. You feel me? So you got to be mindful how this system works. So peace, love, and light. And make sure you share this video. Tell a friend about Resolute Fathers. Also, join Resolute Fathers Patreon. A lot of good information on there. You know what I'm saying? So keep your head up, Tyrese. Straight up, man.